Today for your math facts, you need to have out your pencil, your favorite crayon or colored pencil, and your class fact practice 48. We are going to get started. I would like you to remember first today that we are looking at sums of 12. That means a number plus another number is going to equal 12. Okay, and we're looking at single digit numbers. So we already know that we're going to have a couple of different groups of addition problems here that are going to have answers, sums of 12. We know that this is a review fact of a sum of 12 because this is an adding 9 fact, which we've already talked about. So 3, 1 less than 3 is 2, and put a 1 in front of it. My answer is 12. We also have, besides these sums of 12 facts, we also have review facts, facts that we've already learned about. So, for instance, 7 plus 4 is 11. That's the same thing as 4 plus 7 is 11, right? That's our little rhymey rhyme, okay? We also have problems that are sums of 10. 2 plus 8 is an example of that. This number plus this number equals 10. We want to be able to group numbers into tens, and we will learn a lot more about that in the coming weeks. Then we also have our problems like our doubles plus ones. 6 and 7 are right next to each other when you count. What that means is that you are going to take your smaller number and double it. 6 plus 6 is 12. Then since 7 is 1 more than 6, I have to add 1 more to 12, and that is 13. Okay? At the bottom, you will remember that these are our missing addend problems. These are important. There's a couple ways you can look at it. You can think about this as, okay, I'm going to keep counting until I get to my sum, or I can take my sum and I can count backwards, however many spots this is, and it'll give me my other addend, the one that is missing. Now that we have gone ahead and we have worked through 4 problems at the top, I'm going to leave the bottom for you today. That's a challenge for you. I want you to go ahead and work through this sheet. I will make a suggestion. Either do across every time or go down in columns every time. That way you're not skipping from one to the other, kind of like we did here. It's a lot easier for your eyes to get confused when you do it that way. So go ahead, work through the front side of this sheet, and just do as many of them as you can in the 2 minutes. Your time begins now. Your 2 minutes are up. Go ahead and make sure that your pencil is down and that you have up your favorite crayon or colored pencil. Let's go ahead and check our answers. For our purposes today, I'm going to start and go through by column. So I'm going to go down vertically to find my answers. So I'll do this first column vertically, then I'll move to the second, then I'll go to the third. All right, here we go. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 plus 8 is 12. Next column, we've already done 3 plus 9 is 12. 8 plus 3 is 11. 9 plus 5 is 14. 3 plus 8 is 11. 2 plus 8 is 10. 6 plus 9, 15. 3 plus 6 is 9. Last column, let's do it out. 6 plus 4 is 10. Hopefully you're saying these with me because that's really great practice for you. 5 plus 7 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 7, 15. 9 plus 3 is 12. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 7 plus 5 is 12. Let's look at these bottom problems, shall we? 5 plus what is 12? 5 plus 7 is 12. 9 plus what is 12? See, now here, we know that that's a adding 9 fact. So this number here, I need to just add one more to it, and that would be 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Just like when we were up here, we did 9 plus 5. I took my 5 and I went 1 less to give me the 4. I have to go opposite to get what we're doing in the adding part. 4 plus what is 12? 8. 8 plus what is 12? What plus 8 is 12? 4. What plus 7 is 12? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 5. And what plus 3 is 12? Start at 12 and go back 3. 11, 10, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. You had to go 1 less to get there. 1 more. Okay. Now that we have worked through the front side together, the back side is all yours to do. It looks exactly the same as the front. Read the answers, write the answers, ask someone to correct your paper. They are going to sign right here. Make sure that you do the A part as well as part B. And then when you're done and it's been signed and checked over, go ahead and make sure that it is back into your Wednesday folder.